Welcome to our channel Quaint. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic in the field of surface chemistry. The topic is surface energy and weighting. Yes, we are talking about weighting right now here. Say liquid is there, again one solid surface is there. Whether the liquid can weight the surface or not depends upon the surface energy of the solid surface. Okay. So here we are talking about, or here we are discussing the science behind this. You might have observed that, say for example, water beads up on some surfaces. That means water does not weight that surface easily. But there are some solid surfaces where if you pour water, then water spreads out easily. Such as, for example, if you talk about a waxed car, a freshly waxed car. So on that surface, water beads up. That means water does not weight the surface easily. But if you talk about a glass is a solid material. So you have observed that water easily spreads out on the surface of the glass. So what is the reason behind this? So reason behind this is surface energy of the solid surface. If you think about the molecules which are on the inside of the solid material, then those molecules are equally attracted by the surrounding molecules. Means in all directions molecules are present. When you are thinking about a molecule which is inside of a solid. But if you think about molecules which are present on the outer surface of the solid. Okay, so in that case there are molecules, molecules are not present in all directions. Okay, such as a surface tension of liquid. Okay, molecules are not present in all directions. So in that case, there is an imbalance of forces on the molecules which are present on the outer surface of a solid. And due to that imbalance of forces, there is an energy. Means an energy exists on that surface or on that molecule or on those molecules which are present on the outer surface of the solid due to imbalance of forces, because molecules are not present everywhere, right? So due to that surface energy may be high, that surface energy may be low. So when surface energy is high, okay, in that case liquid spreads out easily on that surface. Means due to high surface energy, there is an affinity of that solid surface to attract the liquid molecules. And due to that attraction, due to that force of attraction, liquid molecules spread out easily on that solid surface. But in case where the surface energy is low, surface energy of the solid surface is low, in that case they repel the liquid molecules. Yes, due to high surface energy, force of attraction is there, and due to low surface energy, force of repulsion is there. And due to this attraction and repulsion, means depending upon this attraction and repulsion, we can decide whether the liquid will spread out easily or not. So two cases are there. Either liquids bead up, either the liquids will bead up or they will spread out. One more thing scientists use in this context, that is contact angle. if the contact angle between the solid surface and the liquid is low, in that case that liquid spreads out easily. That means that liquid can wet the surface easily. Okay, so that is called good wetting. And in case where the angle is not small, in case where the angle, means contact angle, is not low, it is high, in that case the liquids bead up. They cannot wet the surface easily. They cannot spread out on the surface easily. So that is not a case of good wetting. Okay. So this is the science behind this wetting, whether the liquid will wet the solid surface or not. And knowing this science, engineers or the scientists develop different materials, such as if you talk about waterproof clothing. In that case, waterproof clothing, the surface coatings are of low energy, low surface energy. Surface coatings of the waterproof clothing are made of low surface energy. So that what will happen in that case? Water won't wet the clothing. They will bead up and roll off easily. So in certain cases, it is required that the liquid should wet the surface easily, and in some cases it is just the opposite. Requirement is just the opposite, and accordingly materials are selected. Okay, accordingly materials are selected for the manufacturing or designing of equipments or things of interest. Anyway, so I was talking about the science behind wetting. Okay, science behind wetting, and responsible for this is surface energy of the solid surface. And the origin of this surface energy is the imbalance of forces, right? Anyway, so this was all about the topic surface energy and wetting. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.